first time I'm going over this. They've changed this to only a southbound bridge going into Kentucky due to the construction. This was after the truck wreck. So it's the first time I've gone across it since they've only made this into a southbound. Which for the most part, this is a free bridge that on the northbound way, you do have to pay a toll by going over one of the other bridges. It's getting a right-hand lane. Maybe we'll see a little better. I have it more, the phone, angled to where stuff is happening. Slow this down or pause it to see what's going on if you can. And even during construction, people in front of me are doing 45, 40 miles an hour in between there, and I'm barely keeping up, even though the speed limit is 35. Coming into Louisville, Kentucky, Louisville, or what I like to call sometimes, Lousyville. Y'all have a good one.